Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Fusion hood. First, find the hood release lever, typically on the driver's side near the floorboard. Pull this lever firmly to disengage the primary latch. You will hear a click as the hood slightly pops open. Now, move to the front of your vehicle. Once at the front, gently lift the hood a few inches. Reach your hand underneath the center of the hood's leading edge. You'll feel a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch, designed to prevent accidental opening while driving. Manipulate this latch to fully release the hood.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the hood all the way up. Look for the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully unclip it and insert its end into the small, designated hole or slot in the engine compartment to hold the hood securely open. When you are finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its slot and reclip it securely in its original position. Then, gently lower the hood until it is about 12 to 18 inches from closing. Do not press down on the hood. Let its weight do the work for a proper latch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.